First rates on your screen, we start a brand new month and a brand new week. That's truncated week, so Tuesday is the first day of this week. It's a shade of red, just a shade of red, not like a meaningful one. We may threaten to go below 19,500 on intraday basis, who knows. The breadth is looking much better than what actually it appeared, looking at where the handover on Friday was from. Now what do you want to look at? Well, one and only Vedanta. Stock is at a 52-week low. This demerger, well, the jury is not out what it does to unlocking of valuation in the long term, but in the medium term, it certainly will be a fillip. So the stock is reacting and it is bouncing back. It could be a case of buy the rumor and sell the news. From a 52-week low with this kind of a news, at least you know that the company now hopefully will survive in terms of the debt, meeting the debt obligations. So 8 rupees higher or 9 rupees higher for Vedanta. TVS Motor reacting to dispatch numbers. You got Mahindra and Mahindra, which is reacting to dispatch numbers. Tata Motors, Escorts and Bajaj Auto numbers are just about okay. Maruti, month on month there is a decline, year on year there is an uptick. It is the SUV sales which are doing better for them, but it is the sedan sales which in a sense are acting as a drag. So Maruti net 68 rupees down. Vedanta, Hindustan Zinc, they both are of the same group. Soon you will have 6 more companies by next 12 months, so that in a sense is important. Now let's look at some of the NBFCs. They were the talking point today. Shriram Transport, Piramal. You actually could see some price action there, given that India's bond inclusion is something which is to be having impact on the way how things would move, at least for the bond market. So Piramal flat start, Shriram Transport flat start. I think Citi has a report on Shriram Finance. The next 90 days it will outperform. And then you've got, let's look at AU also, where Citi again feels that it may underperform. Oil is down. What is happening to Asian Paints? Oil is down. What is happening to Indigo? Those are two stocks which will gain and ONGC will lose. ONGC on expected lines is down. Asian Paints on expected lines up. And you've got Indigo, surprise. I think it is down by 6 rupees. Avan?
Just quickly revisiting some of those auto companies, the total sales for Maruti at about have grown about on a year-on-year basis. Hero Motors sales have come in at about 5.3 lakh units. You've got TVS Motor, the total sales on a year-on-year basis, they've risen about 6%, and we just had Bajaj Auto, total sales at about 3.9 lakh units. So that entire cluster of stocks, yes, in the spotlight. Coal India, the September offtake is up about 12% on year to about 55 million tons. You've got Ultratech with their Q2 sales volumes. That has grown about 16% on year. And I forgot M&M as well as Eicher Motors, so keep an eye out on them. So it's been fairly positive when it comes to the auto sales numbers for the month gone by. Meantime, Bharti Airtel as well, the 5G subscribers have expanded to 50 million within the last year or so. You've also got something like a Granules. It's a US FDA approval for a blood pressure drug, so that's keeping the stock in the spotlight. Biocon as well, some launches, and yes, Nikunj flagged off aviation, so continue to monitor that, owing by where we're seeing jet fuel prices going higher by about 5%. First trades then, let's find out what our chartists make of the overall trade setup. Federal Bank as well in the spotlight on the back of the Q2 updates. Kunal, what's catching your eye on the screen?
So I'll go with the buy on ITC. I think that stock has come back towards a strong support of 440. Over the last 2 months, I think month of September as well as so far, the stock has been holding on to this level. So that's the first trade which I'd look to do at current market.
All right, Nuresh, let's find out how exactly you're reading the markets at the current levels. It is a downtick of about 0.5%, but you believe that it'll be capped around these levels of 19,500, 19,600?
So expecting a reversal from 19,450, 19,500 band, and some bit of a recovery across the globe as well. But stock specific, continue to like GAIL India, that has shown a lot of resilience in the last few sessions. And today also has opened up in the positive territory. So like it for a bounce towards 135 levels.
Gautam Shah joins us.